The number of people in emergency accommodation rose again last month. It's now at 17,517. That's an increase of 209 on February's numbers. Figures from the Department of Housing showed there were 11,946 adults and 5,571 children homeless last month. In March, 95 adults and 114 children were recorded as entering emergency accommodation. Dublin accounts for the largest number of people in emergency accommodation, where the number stands at 12,465.
Homelessness is generally more acute in capital cities, and Dublin is no different. With over 17,500 people now in emergency accommodation in the state, over 70% of those are in Dublin. By the end of 2021, there were over 8,000 people in emergency accommodation in the capital. The official number of homeless people in Dublin now stands at over 12,000. One of them is Sophie Ross, who became homeless with her 3 children in February and is now living in emergency accommodation.
Life choices don't always go to plan, and I don't think anybody plans for this life and this for their children. It's just not humane.
But there are other factors leading to more people entering emergency accommodation, according to the Dublin Homeless Regional Executive. A recent driver of significant homelessness in the region has been the number of people who've been leaving IPA centres. They accounted for 25% of single adult cases and 7% of family presentations.
The threshold and process for getting into emergency accommodation is very, very challenging. They're being told that they must have to live in the local authority, which is contrary to the circular that exists on this, but also that they have to show that they are rough sleeping.
It's worrying that we saw it coming. We don't have a plan. We're seeing people now entering into homeless services, whereas that's not ideal for anybody.
There has to be a greater correlation between providing more social housing and making progress in relation to child and family homelessness. And that's something that I'll certainly be looking for an update from local authorities right across the country.
Of the over 5,000 children that are now homeless in the state, over 4,000 of those are in Dublin. Alva Keneally, RTÉ News.